What's happening, guys? We're back here again today for another exciting video. Yes, you guys read that title correctly. We're back at it again for another installment on our Audi RS3 build series. Today's video, guys, we're going to be revealing a new set of wheels for the RS3. So without further ado, let's hit that intro. So these are the New Speed RSE 102s in satin bronze. We've got a nice square setup, 19 by 8.5 all the way around. Now, as far as how these wheels came to be, I actually picked these up as a package deal when I bought the car, so I'm pretty happy. I feel like it was nicely bundled together as a pretty good combo price. Definitely something that gave me options. I've never been the biggest fan of the factory wheels on the RS3, so I'm glad to have a little bit of variety to change things up. I'm liking the bronze so far. It's a little bit different. It's not the same old, so I'm glad to kind of branch out and step outside the box. Something I'll mention on these New Speeds, you can take a look here. You can see they have really nice clearance to accommodate like factory big brakes. Obviously, with the RS3 having these massive 8-piston calipers, you want to make sure that you're going to have clearance for your brake calipers. So again, RSE 102s, I think this is a great choice for anybody out there with an MQB car. You want to have that nice OEM plus look, and obviously you don't have to worry about any caliper clearance issues. No need for spacers. Now, as far as taking a look at tire size, most of these cars, if you have the dynamic package with the staggered wheels, you're going to be dealing with 255/30/19 on the front and 235/35/19 on the rear. Now, alternatively, if you don't have the dynamic package, you're going to have the square setup, which is going to consist of 235/35/19 all the way around, which is actually the same size I used to have on my old Project A3. Now, on this particular setup, guys, I wanted to go with something just a little bit beefier. I feel like 235/35/19 is just a little bit narrow for an RS3, so I decided to step it up a little bit and go with 245/35/19 all the way around. I have to say too, like as far as like factory suspension, I have no issues with this car. I mean, to me, like this car sits perfectly. I know a lot of people, they want to absolutely eliminate any wheel gap, but honestly, like I'm perfectly happy with how this car sits. I don't see really any reason to try to lower the car, to be honest. I think the fitment is pretty good overall. Just having a little bit more sidewall, better ride quality, going to be a little bit better for traction and handling as well. You guys might have seen on our last Audi build series for the Project S6, which if you haven't checked out, I'll be sure to leave a link right up here. Definitely a great build series, lots of good informational content. That car actually came with the same Indy 500s when I bought it. They were pretty much like new condition. The Firestones worked pretty well on the S6. Again, that was a full bolt-on stage 3 car, made around 600 horsepower. More than happy with them. I think for the money, you really can't beat them. Again, it was good enough for the APR Stage 3 Audi S6. Definitely well sufficient for the RS3. So when it comes to aftermarket wheels on cars, at the end of the day, the sky is really the limit. You can go with the basic set of some affordable price point manufacturer for wheels. You can go all the way up to some ridiculously fancy forged monoblocks, which are probably gonna run you over 10 grand for a set of 4. Now with these New Speed wheels, they actually are a lightweight flow form construction, so a little bit better overall than a basic cast wheel, but obviously nowhere near the level of a premium forged monoblock. But again, for the price point, working in as a bundle with the purchase of the car, I think it was a great value. I can't complain. I think overall I'm pretty well satisfied. So overall, guys, I think New Speed is really a great option. If you want a nice, clean OEM plus fitment on any Volkswagen, Audi, MQB car, this is definitely a great way to go. Very nice assortment as far as different colors and finishes to choose from, so I'll be sure to leave a link in the description box down below just in case you guys want to pick up a set of these New Speed wheels. So that's going to go ahead and wrap it up for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for joining me today. Feel free to hit that comment section down below. Let me know your thoughts on the new wheel reveal for the Project RS3. Guys, make sure to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. You've got a lot of exciting RS3 content to look forward to. I'll be sure to see you guys in the next one. Have a great day.